Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see means of communication. Grade 3 EVS lesson. Objective: to understand that there are two types of communication, personal communication and mass communication, and also to learn about different modes of personal communication. Means of communication. Means of communication are of two types. They are personal communication and mass communication. Personal communication. Personal communication means sharing information on an individual basis. Mass communication. Mass communication means communicating with a large number of people at the same time. In this video, we will see in detail about personal communication. Personal communication means sharing information on an individual basis. There are different modes of personal communication. People communicate with actions and words. The two most popular modes of personal communication are talking and writing. Writing letters is the most important means of written communication. The fastest means of communication is telephone. With the help of landline phones, we can communicate from our home. With cellular or mobile phones, we can communicate even while traveling. We can also send messages or SMS from our mobile. Services used to talk to someone. STD, subscriber trunk dialing. We use a service called the STD, subscriber trunk dialing, to call up people living in different states in India. ISD, International Subscriber Dialing. We use the ISD, International Subscriber Dialing service to speak to someone in another country. We need the area code if we have to call someone in another city or country. We know that we need area code to call someone in another city or country. Example, for Bahrain and to India. We use special area codes. Other means of personal communication. The other means of personal communication are fax, electronic mails or emails, gestures or hand movements, and silence. Fax. Messages can be sent instantly by fax. It is used to send text and pictures through telephone lines. Electronic mails or emails. We can send and receive emails from any part of the world within seconds through internet on our computers at home. In case someone does not have a computer at home, he or she can visit a cyber cafe to send an email. Gestures and hand movements. In Indian classical dances, mudras are used to communicate feelings and emotions. silence. It is the powerful way of communication. It is not just words but expression and gestures. Example, waving hands to say goodbye. Points to remember. There are two types of communication. They are personal and mass communication. There are different modes of communication. They are telephone, fax, emails, hand movements and gesture, and silence. Words to learn. Telephone. 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 Communication. 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 Electronic mail. Electronic. Electronic mail. Internet. 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 Gestures. 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 Mudras. 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 Expressions. 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 Emotions. 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 It's question time. The most important means of written communication. Yes, writing letters. Messages can be sent instantly through landline by correct fax. The hand movements used to express feelings and emotions. Very good. Mudras. The fastest means of communication? Awesome. Telephone. Dash and dash are the most popular means of communication. Talking and walking. Yay, correct. Well done. Keep it up, children. In our next video, we will see about mass communication. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment.